When it comes to YouTube, there's a belief that if you just upload videos, you'll get a lot of views and subscribers. In this video, we'll show you using data, what it actually takes. Hello Tube buddies! Here are some useful stats you need to know when it comes to being successful on YouTube. We're not only going to show you the stats, but how you can better understand them to understand your own growth rate here on YouTube. There's a lot that goes into YouTube, such as your content type, identifying your ideal niche, as well as SEO, and most importantly, high-performing quality videos that connect with your target audience. We here at TubeBuddy have access to 3.5 million different YouTube users in our database. We were able to find the average amount of videos uploaded to YouTube to get accepted into the YouTube Partnership Program, all the way up to a gold plate button. Here are the averages. The average channel with 1,000 to 10,000 subscribers has 152 uploads. The average channel with 10,000 to 100,000 subscribers has 418 uploads. The average channel with 100,000 to 1 million subscribers has 1,171 uploads. The average channel with 1 million plus subscribers has 3,873 uploads. Recognizing this helps you understand, on average, how much content people have uploaded to reach these metrics. This data shows why it's important to focus on creating content and identifying your target audience. Knowing how many uploads on average you need is very helpful, because if you haven't uploaded enough content, you may not be where you want to be based on not having enough opportunity for exposure. The keyword here is opportunity. YouTube is a search engine, the second largest in the world, and with that search, it gives you the opportunity to be discovered. Understand that content is key of putting you where you want to go. However, SEO optimization gives you the opportunity to get discovered. With TubeBuddy's Search and Keyword Explorer, I'll show you how you can identify opportunities for you to show up in search. When it comes to search, a great type of video to make when you're starting out is called evergreen. This lets you create a piece of content that can help you grow through search. It's called evergreen content, like evergreen trees. This means that the content is relevant year-round. This content type helps you get views by always being relevant. Evergreen content, for example, is like how-to content, tutorials, a case study like this, etc. Here is an example of a keyword for evergreen content, and then how we'll research and craft it. Our main keyword is grow on YouTube. We're going to be using this as a jumping off point. One thing I want to show is within the weighted score of Keyword Explorer. This does require a TubeBuddy Pro or higher level license. If you'd like to get one for free, check out that card on screen. Now back to the video. One thing we want you to look at is you versus top. This section lets us know how many views we need on average to have the opportunity to show up on the first page of search results. We look at this first because if the number here is higher than your average views, it might make more sense to go for another term. This is also reflected in our poor score found here, so I will go into video searches. The video searches section are what people are actually searching on YouTube. Since we're focusing on this content being evergreen, let's try adding how-to make our term how to grow on YouTube. Notice how the results change. The barrier to entry is higher. We now can see the number of searches per month. That's where looking at the video searches comes in handy. We want to teach people how to grow. However, at the time of this video, it's almost 2020. We'll make our title How to Grow on YouTube in 2020. Data you need to know. This title does something YouTube recommends. It makes the title both searchable and compelling. We know that the searchable part is the first part and should be the first part if you're targeting search. So, our searchable part is how to grow on YouTube in 2020. The compelling part to the audience is data you need to know. This video is an early part of the trend. Our friend Salma Jaffrey says that evergreen plus trending equals a great combo for consistent traffic to your YouTube channel. This topic can easily be evergreen, since in the video, we don't have to mention a specific year, and these tips will be useful for years to come. Once you know what you want to title your video, you need to think of other videos that can help bring people in and keep watching your channel. That's where knowing the average uploads needed from earlier comes in handy. Knowing those averages lets you plan your videos to make sure you are focusing on content that you and your audience like, while helping your YouTube channel grow. Let's head to the upload page. First, I'll enter in my title. Then I'll find a way to make my title naturally describe our video, like such. Learn how to grow on YouTube in 2020, the data you need to know. How to grow on YouTube doesn't have to be a mystery. And with the data collected here at TubeBuddy, knowing how to grow on YouTube in 2020 won't be so confusing. See how we repeated portions of our title in our descriptions naturally? That's based on our keyword research from earlier, and knowing that people want to learn how to grow on YouTube. It's important to repeat your title in your description and tags, because YouTube sorts by relevancy by default. You want to keep creating opportunities that let you show up in search and on your video suggested page, all while keeping your ideal audience engaged and helping your channel by uploading more content. Remember, these numbers are averages, but understanding them can help you plan out your video schedule and shape the content with the tools offered by us here at TubeBuddy, so you can create uploads that are evergreen, maybe even trending, and can help you know what to create here on YouTube. Do you want to learn how to optimize a video from start to finish? Then check out that video on screen now. Want to see more data-driven studies like this from us at TubeBuddy? Let us know in the comments down below. I'm Andrew Kam from TubeBuddy. Now go out and plan your future uploads.